I really need to be profitable this week. If I'm not profitable this week, I'll scatter my laptop, I'll break my phone, I'll scatter everything. The market needs to pay me this week.
What's good, guys? Today is Wednesday and I've taken the first trade of the week on NAS 100. Man, this is a long one. I've been waiting for a setup since Monday. I've been coming to this chart. I could not find a setup. And today I've taken the first trade of the week. Let's see how this trade is going to play out. I'm going to update you guys about this trade as usual. This is the first trade of the week. Today is Wednesday and you can see the time is about 2:32 p.m. and this is the first trade of the week. I'm going to update you guys about this trade setup. For now, let's see what the market can do from here. You can't really tell what the market is going to do. The most important thing is to execute your trade flawlessly. I'll be losing about $100 on this trade. There's a reason I stepped down my risk a little. Normally, my standard risk is 1.5%, but this trade, I'll be losing around 1% if price gets to my stop loss. Update you guys about this trade. This trade has finally hit my stop loss. You can see here, this trade stopped me out on NAS 100. So you can see here. One funny thing about the market is this. If you look back at this market price action, you could see from here, I took a buy here, I won the trade. I took a sell, I got cooked. I took a buy. Okay, I didn't take this buy, but I saw the setup. But because of the momentum, I could not get the opportunity. This was Monday, right? Monday to Wednesday today, I've not seen any trade. And the first trade I took for the week, I got cooked. I got fried. There's nothing I can do, honestly speaking. You can see now the market trend is kind of changing. And yeah, I was trying to say I could not get the opportunity. So guys, as you can see for today, I lost about $102. Today was a rough day and I got fried. What's good, guys? Today is Thursday and I've taken my second trade of the week. Immediately I just got in, the market reversed against me. Bruh. Immediately I just got in, it turned like it was like, see if I was buying. Immediately I just took a sell position, boom, the market started going up. Let's see how this setup is going to play out at the end. You can't tell what the market is going to do. At the end of the day, my stop loss is placed above, and let's see what the market can do. I'm actually managing my risks on this trade. I'm risking 1% if this trade hit my stop loss. I'm going to update you guys about this trade as usual. This is my second trade of the week. Yesterday I took an L. If I win today, it's going to be a great week. So guys, the market has finally stopped me out on this trade, and today I lost about $99. This is a rough week, bro. This is a rough week. Really, I just got into the market. The market went straight to stop loss. No joy at all. What's good, guys? Today is Friday, the last day of the week, and I've taken the last trade for the week. So you can see here from my Meta 5, I've taken the trade already. The trade have been executed. Let's see what the market is going to do. I think if I win this trade, I'm going to be down either 0.5% or break even. It depends on the risk to reward ratio I can potentially get from this setup. So let's see what this trade is going to do. My target is the previous day high, which is here, and also I'm getting a rejection point around this yellow zone. So let's see if this buy is a valid setup. I'm going to update you guys about this trade as usual. Let's see what the market can do. I hope I come out break even for the week. Anyway, I'm going to update you guys about this trade. I lost my first two trades of the week. I hope this one can come out positive. I promise you guys, the next candle is about to go boom. And I've set my stop loss at break even. Damn, it's close to my break even. The next candle is about to go boom. This is 330. Nasdaq tends to behave like this. The reason I set my stop loss to break even is because he hit my 1:1. I don't want to take the chance of price turning against me, especially after rejecting from this high. Price is rejecting from this high. This is showing that it might sell. Or it might just buy with this candle that is pushing up now. But anyway, I've set my stop loss at break even. Whatsoever that happens today or on this trade, I'm going to go home today with break even. Why is it stopping, bro? Why is it stopping? What's going on? I'm going to... Wow. It's pushing up. It's pushing up. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. Soon enough, I'll be closing partials on one of the position. This one here, I'm going to be closing partials soon enough. Damn. Anyway, I'm going to update you guys about the whole process of this trade. So guys, price has finally hit me out at break even. You can see the positions have been closed. And you can see what the market is doing here. It's just moving up and down, up and down. It stopped me out at this point here. This is where it stopped me out. And I think the market is still going to push up. From my observation, you can see the trend is still bullish. Nothing is showing that this bearish rejection from this high might potentially work. So nothing is showing that the market could sell here. I think the market is still going to continue pushing up. But anyway, I've been stopped out on this trade on break even. I'm going to leave the chart and walk away. Honestly, I'm going to walk away. I'm supposed to close partials. I think I made a mistake here. I'm supposed to open one position and close partials. Probably I would have made 0.5% today. Then I'll be down 1.5% on the week. But because this lot size I opened here was not $100 rig, so I added 0.03 to make it. So I'm going to make it 0.13 lot size to fit $100 rigs for this trade. But you can see the trade was not managed according to the plan. Honestly, it was not managed according to the plan. But it was best I break even. That was the best decision. Breaking even was a nice decision, especially after this random volatility the market started exhibiting. Anyway, I'm done for the week. I'm done for the week. This week is an unprofitable week again, just like last week. We keep going. So that's it for this week, guys. I'm out of the house already. I'm done trading for this week. This week I'm down negative 2%. Last week I was down 0.5%. This week I'm down negative 2.5%. So overall on the account I'm trading, I'm down 2.5%. I've traded just for 5 days for this year, and that's the result I'm getting. I've had about 1 win, 3 losses, and today break even. For this week market condition is garbage. Like if you look at gold, look at Nasdaq, they have been consolidating, and if you try to catch the trend, you just have this unexpected reversal that will come and go against you and might hit your stop loss. So that was what was happening to me this week. Like most of the trades I took this week, that's the same thing I was experiencing. I'll have a situation where the market would be like, okay, the market looks like it wants to buy, but I'll just find unexpected retracement and it's turn back and hit my stop loss. But anyway, I'll be back next week. At the end of the day, you just need to stay positive and come back next week. This is a P&L for this week. I'm going to put it up here. I'm down 2.5% on the Profirm account I'm trading. And for this week, I'm down 2%. Anyway, I'm going to come back next week and catch you guys again. What I basically do on this channel is this: I document my trading journey. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you notice that I post all my trades, whether winners, whether losers. I post them. This is all part of documenting my journey. I'm just documenting my journey. Someone can see it out there and be able to connect. They can be able to relate. They can be able to like, okay, I'm not the only person experiencing the same thing. There's someone out there experiencing it and is showing himself to the public. He's showing himself to people. A lot of people have sent messages on Instagram telling me they can really connect with my journey and it's helping them in their own trading journey. And that alone is like self-fulfilling, if you may ask me. I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video, because if you like this video, it's going to reach wider audience. So I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. But now I'm going to say happy weekend and enjoy your weekend.